Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make triangles crochet. We'll start by covering the essential stitches you'll need, like single crochet and chain stitches. Then, we'll dive into the crucial technique of increasing stitches to form that perfect triangular shape. You'll also learn about the magic ring, a fantastic method for starting your triangle with a clean, tight center. This foundation will set you up for success. To achieve that distinct triangle shape, the key is strategic increasing. Typically, you'll work 3 single crochet stitches into 1 stitch at each of your 3 corners. This creates the sharp points. Incorporating chain spaces can also help define these corners even more. Remember, maintaining consistent tension throughout your work is vital for a smooth, professional-looking fabric. Once you master the basic triangle, a world of possibilities opens up. You can create solid triangles by working in continuous rounds or rows, perfect for amigurumi or blankets. For a more delicate look, try incorporating chain and double crochet stitches to form lacy, open-work triangles. These can be beautiful on their own or joined together to create stunning geometric designs like mandalas or shawls. The final steps are just as important as the crocheting itself. First, take your time to weave in all loose ends securely. This prevents unraveling and gives a neat finish. Next, blocking your triangles, especially if they are for a larger project, will help them lay flat and achieve crisp, defined edges. Finally, don't hesitate to add a simple border, perhaps a row of single crochet, for that extra touch of flair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.